Hi everybody, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you this super cute Mulberry Chester in orange and black. So this is a really nice, simple, understated shape and structure that I really like. You notice that it actually hasn't got that kind of classic mulberry tree that we're used to seeing on it. It's actually got these press studs on it on either side at the top, and these are actually introduced by Johnny Coker in his autumn winter 2016 collection. So although it's not got the classic mulberry tree, it has got those signature press studs on it. So I'll show you the inside. This is a very versatile bag. It's got one open section in the middle, and then at the front and the back it's actually got, if you just pop open these press studs, it's got two more sections at the front, which is kind of extendable there, and then I'll show you the other one here. So it's got a section there, and this bit at the front actually has a slip pocket too. So we love this bag. If you love bags just as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe so you get an alert each time we bring out a new video with a new bag. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. It still looks great and the colour still is great. It just has a few marks on it here and there. So I'll just show you just here. I think you can see in the light just a scratch there and a bit of creasing there. And then again, the front is in a little bit better condition, but you can see just a little bit of creasing there. But the base is still pretty good. Not got a lot of creasing or marks on there. The interior, again, we've called good. It still looks all right in there, but I'll just show you one of these back sections. It does have a little bit of scratching just there, you can see, hopefully, in that light. So it has got a little bit of scratching, but on the whole, it is in pretty good condition. The hardware, again, we've called good. These press studs do have quite a bit of scratching on them, and on this side as well. But you can still clearly see that mulberry engraving, and none of them have any discoloration either. So this one is coming with this removable strap, and I'll show you that in a bit, which means you can have it as a crossbody as well. And it also comes with the mulberry dust bag to keep it protected. So for the exact size of this bag, I suggest you go to our website, which you'll find the link in the description below, which should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, it means it has sold, but if you love this bag, don't fear, because we can get you on our request list. If you just send us over an email and let us know you like this bag, we'll get you on our request list, and you'll get an alert as soon as another one like it comes in, and that applies to any bag that you want as well. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is about where it sits on me. And I'll pop the strap on it as well so that you can see what it looks like with the strap. So this is with the strap as well, just means you can have it on your shoulder like that. So for more information on this bag, go to our website. As I said, the link is in the description below. On our website you'll also find loads more bags, and you'll also find the How to Sell With Us page. If you have any arm candy that you would like to sell with us, go to there and it will give you all the details you need to know about selling your bags with Arm Candy Bag Co. And finally, on the website, if you scroll down to the bottom of any page that you're on, you'll find the sign up to the newsletter option where you can pop in your email. And I suggest you do that because if you pop in your email there, we'll send you over your welcome discount, which will either be 5% or £50. So get your email in there, sign up to the newsletter, and we'll send you over your discount. And that is all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more arm candy.